Hello, Andrew here today, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to assemble the Filteroo steel. Let's get into it. Making sure our hands are clean, as a first step we install the stainless steel tap into the bottom tank. Tighten the nut with a spanner. Next, we put the black rubber ring on the base of the bottom tank and sit the bottom tank on the stand. The next step is to insert the blocking plugs into the spare cartridge holes in the top tank. At this point, you are ready to prime your carbon cartridges and fluoride cartridges if you are installing them. It's a very simple process. Please check our priming videos in our learning center. Once you have primed your cartridges, then the next step is to install them. To install the Filteroo carbon block cartridge, remove the wing nut and leave the washer on the stem. Then insert the thread through the hole on the bottom of the top tank and put the wing nut back on. If you are using Filteroo Max fluoride removal cartridges, remove the blue end caps from the cartridges and carefully screw the fluoride cartridges onto the thread of the carbon block cartridges. Take care not to over tighten the plastic threads on any of the cartridges. You only need to tighten it enough to ensure you have a seal and no water passes around the thread of the cartridge. If you're using the mineral pad, quickly rinse the mineral pad under the kitchen sink tap for 10 seconds. Just wash any loose mineral fines and place it into the base inside the bottom tank. Put the top tank on top of the bottom tank, and the final step is to install the knob on the lid. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screw into the lid. That's it, and you're done. Now all you have to do is fill your Filteroo to the top. We recommend that you flush 12 liters of water through your Filteroo before consuming the water, just so you have the best taste right from the start. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.